And the Senate just approved a new $484 billion relief package as the economy continues to grapple with the coronavirus pandemic. As ABC's Inez de la Catera reports, there could be a third relief package on the way.
Nurses gathering outside the White House to protest the lack of protective gear for healthcare workers.
It's scary. It's extremely scary to not know whether or not you're protected enough to take care of these patients.
Some financial help could soon be on the way for hospitals. The Senate today unanimously approving a $484 billion relief package.
Unless we get our economy up and running again, there's not any way we can spend enough to continue to prop up the country.
The new legislation will also pump an additional $310 billion into the Paycheck Protection Program for small businesses, which ran out of money last week. President Trump endorsing the deal, writing on Twitter, "I urge the Senate to pass the Paycheck Protection Program and Healthcare Enhancement Act with additional funding for PPP, hospitals, and testing." But while there is now bipartisan agreement on a new relief bill, a late-night tweet from the president floating the idea he might sign an executive order that would ban all immigration into the U.S. is sparking deep partisan divisions.
He hasn't gotten us the testing. He's not getting us the stimulus funding. He's not doing his job. So he's going to his all-time favorite distraction, immigration.
This as businesses around the nation continue to grapple with the COVID-19 pandemic. Another pork processing plant shutting down in Minnesota because of an outbreak among its employees.
I don't know how long we'll be shut down, but eventually if we can get everybody tested and see where we're at, and then hopefully get back to work.
The new package comes on top of another $2 trillion deal passed last month. Today, White House economic advisor Kevin Hassett hinting,
I think that the odds of there being at least one more tranche of policy are very, very high.
And the House is expected to consider that new relief package as early as Thursday. Inez de la Catera, ABC News, Washington.